Okay, moving on to letter B. If I were to add these two together, I would say 2x plus 3x is 5x, and negative 1y plus 4y is 3y. Nothing cancels out, and that's a problem. So therefore, I have to manipulate my system in order for there to be opposite coefficients so that something will cancel out when I add them together. So let's look at this. I can't make 2 be the opposite of 3 by multiplying with a whole number. But I can make 1 be the opposite, so negative 1 be the opposite of positive 4. If I multiply 1 times 4, this will make this a negative 4y, which will then cancel out with this positive 4. So let's do that. Let's multiply everything by 4. So when I do that, I'm going to get 4 times 2, which is 8x, and then 4 times negative 1y is negative 4y, equals 9 times 4, which is 36. Now let's add those together and see what happens. So I get 8, 9, 10, 11, so 11x. These 4y's is going to give me 0y. And then that's going to be 6 minus 4 is 2, and 3 minus 1 is 2, so 22. 0y is nothing, goes away. So we're left with 11x equals 22. Now we just need to solve for x, so we'll divide by 11 on either side, and we get x equals 22 divided by 11 is 2. All right, now all we have to do is pick our favorite equation to plug it in for. I like to use the first one, so I'm going to use the first guy, and I'm going to choose green for this guy. And I'm going to have 2, and instead of x, I'm going to write another 2. Minus y equals 9. All right, 2 times 2 is 4, minus y equals 9. Now I subtract 4 on either side, and I get negative y equals 5. Now here is where my students, or I see other students, say that they're done. They are not done. There is a invisible 1 in front of this y, so they need to get rid of the negative. So instead, they have one more step to do. We divide both sides by negative 1, and we get y equals negative 5. Last step, our answer is 2, negative 5. And that's that. Now time for you to try it.